Item: SCP-1187. Code name: Stationary ATV. Object Class: Safe. Special Containment Procedures: SCP-1187 is to be stored in a remote, above-ground enclosure 5 km from Site-19 with a staff of 2 armed guards and 1 Level 1 researcher. SCP-1187 should remain inverted upon its transportation trailer at all times when not being tested. The subject's ignition key, designated SCP-1187-1, is to be stored in the office of the Level 3 Director at Site-19 overseeing SCP-1187, and is available upon written request. Testing must be conducted no less than 10 km from any Foundation facility or population center. SCP-1187 is to be removed from its trailer and operated by a Class D subject in the center of a 500-meter cleared circle. All security and research personnel should remain at the edge of the perimeter, directing and observing the test remotely. Description: SCP-1187 is a Blue 2006 Kazuma 150cc all-terrain vehicle. It was sold and delivered to South Carolina via an anonymous online merchant site. The seller has yet to be located. The owner's initial test ride resulted in an anomalous incident which was suppressed in public media as a powerful but isolated earthquake. When the accelerator is engaged, SCP-1187 remains stationary while the surface beneath its wheel shifts horizontally towards the rear of the vehicle at an increasing rate of speed. SCP-1187 is capable of dragging a 3-meter wide by 15 centimeters deep strip of terrain at speeds of up to 40 km per hour. This effect extends to approximately 250 meters in front of the vehicle and 50 meters behind. Continued operation will shear an increasing amount of material from below the top layer, eventually excavating a furrow and depositing it to the rear of SCP-1187. Manipulating the steering column will rotate SCP-1187 and shift the area of influence. Applying the brakes will slow and eventually cease the effect. Operating SCP-1187 in the vicinity of buildings or other above-ground structures and objects is exceedingly dangerous, as mass above the driving plane is not arrested by braking.